Okay. Last time we discussed about the lineage of Swayambhuva Manu. Yes? Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, because suddenly I see the entire video is stuck. I'm not sure if you're there or not. Maybe a problem on my side. The video is stuck.
We can hear you, Prabhuji.
Okay, that's fine, Mataji. As long as you're able to hear me, that's great. That's great. All right. Now, we said we will discuss Jambu Dvipa this week. Correct? Today. Yes? So, we will talk about a high level Jambu Dvipa initially, and then we will go further into the detail. Right? So, I will share my screen to show Jambu Dvipa as is. I've got various images. I'll cover them as we go along. Right? There are various images of Jambu Dvipa. I'll cover them as we go along. Initially, I'll start with a slide and then move on to the next slide. So let me, finish my slide here before I do it. Jambu Dvipa. Right. Now I am going to share my screen so that you all can see. Before you look at that, what does Jambu Dvipa mean? Jambu Dvipa. Dvipa means?
Island.
Jambu means?
Big.
Sorry?
Big, Prabhu. Big.
Jambu means, doesn't mean big, Prabhu. Where births take place. Ja, Janma, Ma, Mrityu. Yes, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
Ja, Janma, Ma, Mrityu. Va, it stands for, Bhava Bharati. Lives, sustains. Interesting, right? Of course, the deriders argue that Jambu also means Indian blackberry, which is a name for, and it's only talking about India and where Indian blackberry grows. That's their view on the matter. No, Jambu actually stands for these three. Yes, where birth, death, and living. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. Yes, Ba stands for Bhava or existence, right? Which is Jara and Vyadhi. Yes. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right. So now let's look at how Srimad Bhagavatam defines Jambu Dvipa. Alright? The Mount Meru is there. Yes. Mount Meru is at the center. Right? So, in the center is the Mount Meru. This is a 2D thing, but look at it like a 3D where it's growing. It's growing to the top. Yes? So, towards the northern side, towards the southern side, eastern side and western side, you can see things like Ketumala, Ramyaka, right? Harana, Hiranaiva, Pauru, yes? Shrungavan, Sweta, Neela, Bhadrashva, right? Nishadha, Hema, Hima, Bharata, Kimpurusha, Hari. These are all the Varshas. You remember we discussed these names of the Varshas? Someone ruled that Varsha, this Varsha, etc. Remember this?
Yes, Prabhuji.
From
Yes.
Canto 5.
Maharaj.
Was it Canto 4? One second. Description of descendants of Maharaj. Well, where is Kimpurusha mentioned? In this canto somewhere? Kimpurusha. It's mentioned in one of these things. It's not letting me search in Veda base. Kimpurusha in Srimad Bhagavatam. It's in 5th canto, chapter 19. That's the one. Yeah, 5th canto, chapter 19. Right. The Kimpurusha Varsha, right? You can see. This is where the Kimpurusha Varsha is where, oh, of course, that's the reason it can't search. It is always, okay? This is where Kimpurusha Varsha is where, the Vanaras are there, okay? That's one Varsha. Where is that Varsha? If you see to the left of Jambu Dvipa, Kimpurusha Varsha, right? Hari Varsha is also there. Hima Varsha is also there. So if you literally see, right, the entire Jambu Dvipa is surrounded by these Varshas, okay, to the left and to the right, to the north, to the west and the east. In between, there is the Chakshu river, there is the Alakananda river, there is the Bhadra river and the Sita river. Alright? And the Meru Parvata is right at the center and it's growing up. So, this is not that visible. Let me make it smaller to make it clear. Oops, wrong move. What's going on here? Control X, delete, new slide, paste. Right. Okay. Reduce this in size to make it readable. I hope this will be better readable. Right. So there is the Bharata Varsha here. There is a Kimpurusha Varsha here. These are all not clear images, unfortunately. Unfortunately, these are all not clear images. These images are not coming out clear. Let me reduce it in size and see if it comes out clear. No, I'm sorry, these are not coming out clean. Well, let me now search for that video, or let me go through the thing. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 5. Where is the description of Jambu Dvipa? That should be there. Okay, conversation, the description of Jambu Dvipa. This is the one. Right. So, if you see, the entire Meru mountain is right at the center and it's going up, and the whole Jambu Dvipa is like a lotus. Right? And the Bhumandala itself is like a lotus. This is not the Bhuloka, this is the Bhumandala. Please understand the difference between Mandala and Loka. Bhumandala means it's a congregation of various planets and the orbits. Hare Krishna, clear on this point?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Of that Bhuloka is one Loka, right? So Bhumandala. Similarly, there is a Bhur Mandala, there is a Bhuvar Mandala. Bhur, Bhuvar, and there is a Suvar. Yes? Bhur, Bhuvar, and Suvar. You know, that's what. Bhur Loka, Bhuvar Loka, Janar Loka, Mahar Loka, Tapar Loka, Sakya Loka. So that mandala is what is being described. Yes? And the Jambu Dvipa is just in the middle of that lotus. Bhumandala has got 7 islands, right? All across, like a lotus. And the center of it is Jambu Dvipa. And within that Jambu Dvipa is the Mount Sumeru, which is made of solid gold. Mind you, this is not the one in Indonesia. Let's not confuse it with the Sumeru that's in Indonesia. It's not that one. There is a Sumeru that is, it's a mountain of gold. And the height of it is 84,000 yojanas. 1 yojana is 8 nautical miles. So 84,000 yojanas means 84 into 8. 8 4s are 32, 2, 3, 8 8s are 64, 67. 672,000 miles. Hare Krishna, clear on that?
Yes, Prabhuji.
If you are looking in kilometers, multiply it by 1.6. If you are looking in feet, you have to multiply it by 1,000, so on and so forth. That's how tall this mountain is. This Bhumandala, Sumeru, 16,000 yojanas are below the earth, and the remaining 68,000 yojanas are above the earth. Hare Krishna, clear on that? Hare Krishna, 16,000 yojanas are below the earth and 64,000 yojanas are above the earth. Make sense? Alright.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Let me drop in a PPT so that it becomes easier for you. It becomes easier for you. Hare Krishna. $84,000 yojanas. Let me do that. Okay, this PPT has gone bonkers. Let me open a brand new one. Okay, I'll use this as a new slide.
Prabhuji, can you explain about mandala again? I'm confused.
Yes, Prabhu, I will.
Thanks, Prabhuji.
Bhu Mandala. Mandala means a place where many things exist. Like if you see, when you are buying a land in India, right? They talk about, such and such mandal. Yes, the land is located in such and such mandal. That means a set of lands put together, places of existence put together is a mandal. Yes, Prabhuji?
Okay, Prabhuji.
Right? Make sense?
Yeah. Yes, Prabhuji.
Right. So, Bhumandala, how is it described? That's what we are trying to look at today. Now, because I'm drawing it myself, it may not be the best of the drawings, but bear with me, right? Right? Think about it. We have, let's go back to the description and talk about it. The entire Bhumandala is like a lotus flower, right? So, let me bring out an image of a lotus. Right. This is a better image. This is a better image. If you see the thing, right? Can you see the Garbhodaka ocean at the bottom?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. And, in Bhumandala, yes, you can see, all the Jupiter, Saturn, etc. Then there is above Polaris and everything. Yes, there is Maharloka, there is Janarloka, Taparloka, and above that is Satyaloka. Yes. Hare Krishna.
So, Prabhuji, Bhumandala means it's a universe. In this universe, we have all this.
Prabhu, this description of universe is wrong here. Bhumandala is the existence. Right, Prabhu? Yes.
Yeah, okay, Prabhuji.
This description is wrong, but at least the picture has a few things.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why I'm trying to explain with that.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay. Go with what I said, Prabhuji. Yeah? Go with what I said. Bhumandala is place of existence. Right?
Okay, Prabhuji.
Not this universe. Because there is above that there is Mahat Tattva. Right? Because remember, there are multiple universes within the Mahat Tattva. Right? So, you see the subtle elements: earth, water, fire, air, ether, ego, Mahat Tattva. Yes?
Yeah, okay, Prabhuji.
Yes? These are all layers, right? We are talking about the entire existence. Right?
Okay, Prabhuji.
Somebody is thinking only from the local universe perspective rather than existence perspective. Right?
Okay.
Yes, bro. Now you see, let's see the outer covering. Earth covering 4 million miles, water covering 40 million miles, fire covering 400 million miles. Okay? Then air covering is 4 billion, ether is 40 billion, ego is 400 billion, Mahat Tattva is 4 trillion, and above that is the entire Prakriti, which is 40 trillion miles. Right? That entire constitution is the Yoni, or which is Mother Parvati in her material form. Yes?
Okay, Prabhuji.
What are we talking? An entire ring of 40 trillion miles is this entire existence. And within that, there is the Mahat Tattva, which is 4 trillion miles. So you see how huge this entire material existence is, Prabhu, in its dormant state.
Okay, Prabhuji. Yeah.
So that's the one the Lord's eyesight touches and then agitates. Now, Mandala is a sthana or a location. Remember, in Bhagavatam we are talking about sthapana, placement and poshana and maintenance. Yes.
Okay, Prabhuji. Yeah.
That is happening within this Bhumandala. Right? Within that, the Jambu Dvipa. So as you can see, Jambu Dvipa is right at the center. Right, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhuji.
And the Meru Parvata is growing like this. The Meru Parvata is growing like this, and below the earth it is 16,000 miles, and above the earth it is 16,000 yojanas and 68,000.
Right, Prabhuji.
8,000 yojanas. Right, Prabhu? Mataji,
Yes,
clear?
Prabhu.
Prabhu and Mataji, clear now?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Totally, Meru Parvata is 84,000. 16,000 below the earth. You take away 16 out of 84, it is 64. Sorry, 68. It is 68. 68,000 above. Right? 68,000 above. Right? The simple logic is this. 6 plus 8 is 14. Yes or no? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
At the bottom, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 below, 14 above.
Okay, Prabhu.
Right? Remember, yes? Yep. It is 6 plus 1, 7 below, and 14 above, sort of a thing. Below the earth and above the earth. So, its width is 32,000 yojanas. Right?
Yep.
At the bottom. And 16, it is 16,000 yojanas at the foot aspect of the story. 32,000 yojanas at the top. Think about it. It's going like a large cone. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
16,000
So,
yojanas at the
Prabhu, Jambu
bottom.
Dvipa means it's not on earth.
It's not on earth.
Okay, Prabhu.
Right. It is the support for the planet earth.
Right, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, please remember, this is within this Bhumandala, not in the Bhuloka. Yes, Prabhu?
Okay, Prabhu. Yeah.
And think of it like a cone with the bottom being narrower and the top being bigger.
Right, Prabhu.
Yes? Bottom is 16,000 yojanas. Top is
Right.
32,000 yojanas.
Yes, Prabhu.
Why is it so? The entire devatas are sitting at the top of the Meru.
Right, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, is this clear up to this point?
Yes, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu, Mataji, everyone, is it clear?
Yes, Prabhu.
Prabhu.
So, if I draw this triangle and invert it, I'll invert this triangle. Think of this, Mount Meru. If I take it here, right, and now let me put some text in there. Let me add some text. Insert text box. 16,000 yojanas at foot. Yes, Prabhu? Mataji? Hare Krishna?
Yes, Prabhu.
Please
Yes,
keep
Prabhu.
responding,
Yes, Prabhu.
but I know you are able to follow this.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu?
Prabhu, I think I sent you a link in the text. They have better version of Jambu Dvipa, the projection triangle, everything is there.
Is it?
If
Where
it
did you
help-
send it, Prabhu? In the WhatsApp?
No Prabhu, in this Google chat.
In this Google Meet, is it?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
Prabhu.
let me check. How do I do that? Let me check. Maybe it's here. Hare Krishna, meet.google.com. Meet.google.com. Well, in call messages, nothing there. Let me open participants chat. Well, Prabhu, the problem with this I didn't refer to is it's just this thing, Prabhu. What do you call a 2D image? Yes, Prabhu.
Not this. No, this one, Prabhu. If you keep scrolling down on the same website, the pyramid is showing up. The Jambu Dvipa, the Sumeru mountain with the upside down, and how much yojanas are there.
Where is it, Prabhu?
I think I don't have page numbers, but if you scroll down, Prabhu, you'll see it. That's it, Prabhu. Yeah, keep going down. One more page. Yeah, you see that?
No, yeah, that's fine. You're talking about this one, 32,000, 84,000, 32,000, 16,000, and Jambu
Yes,
Dvipa in the middle.
Yes.
Yes, Prabhu. Yeah, this is a good one. Right? So, as I was saying, 16,000, this is where the Jambu Dvipa is, and 84,000. No, this is wrong, Prabhu. One second.
Prabhu, that's the one which is mentioned in that purport. The height of the mountain is 84,000 yojanas.
Correct, Prabhu, but the problem is, Hare Krishna Prabhu, the reason I'm saying that doesn't fit is for a reason. Just a minute, please. Let me close these, open that link. See, they are showing 84,000 above, Prabhu. You see here, Srimad Bhagavatam is very clear. The height of the mountain is 84,000, of which 16,000 yojanas are below the earth.
So that should be total 84,000.
Yeah,
That 84,000, that arrow should come till bottom, and out of
but
which
they are now referring to as 100,000 yojanas. Right?
Yes.
Let me go and see. The way I read Srimad Bhagavatam, one second, Prabhu. Okay, Bhagavatam says 100,000 yojanas. Then this summary is wrong. This summary is wrong. Hare Krishna Prabhu, you see here, this summary in Veda base is wrong. Alright, then this we will go with. So 16,000 below, 84,000 above, 32,000 at the top, 16,000 at the bottom, and Jambu Dvipa itself is in itself also, the same thing. As you can see here, right? Here, if you see, one million yojanas, 8 million miles, is 9 divisions of islands. Amidst these divisions, varshas, 100,000 yojanas, okay, are the words, right? The mountain's height is the same as the width of Jambu Dvipa, which is 100,000 yojanas or 800,000 miles. So Jambu Dvipa is 100,000 yojanas, and Mount Meru is also 100,000 yojanas. So the width of Jambu Dvipa is 100,000, Mount Meru is 100,000. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right. Now, what is happening here is, in this mountain, right? In this mountain, this is a confusion here. 84,000 yojanas, hang on. Calculator, 84,000 yojanas times 8. Let us see. Which is 672,000.
Miles.
Here they say the total height of Meru mountain 800,000 miles or 84,000 yojanas. You see the contradiction, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. Actually, that should be 100,000.
Yes.
Yojanas.
Right. So let's go with what is the description given actually in Srimad Bhagavatam? Let me first read the shloka. Ye vayam dvipa kuvalaya kamala koshabhyantara kosho niyuta yojana vishala samavartulo yadha pushkara patram niyuta yojana vishalaha 1 million yojanas. Yes, Prabhuji. The Bhumandala is a lotus flower which is 1 million yojanas, right? Which is 8 million miles. Clear on that?
Yes, Prabhu.
Right. Now, because I am going to the Sanskrit just to avoid, right, any confusion in what is being said. Now I'll come to the 9 division islands, etc. shortly. I'm going to the 7th verse now. Why? Dvipamaya sammunaha karnika bhutaha kuvalaya kamalasya murdhani dvatim shvet sahasra yojana vitato mule shodasa sahasram tavat Antarbhumyam pravishya. Right. There you go. Here it says the mountain's height is the same as the width of Jambu Dvipa. Yesham madhye lavrutam nama abhyantara varsham yasya nabhyam avatishta sarvatah sauvarnah kulagiri rajo merur dvipayama Samunnaha. So there you go. Named beloved Abhyantara Varsham, the inner division of which, Nabhyam in the navel, Savarnaha made of gold, Kulagiri Raja, most famous of mountains, Mount Meru, Dvipa Samai, whose height is the same measurement of Jambu Dvipa, width of Jambu Dvipa. Right? So, Mount Meru's width, height is 100,000 yojanas or 800,000 miles, and Jambu Dvipa's width is also 100,000 yojanas or 800,000 miles. Yes, now we are clear, Prabhu. There is mistake in this representation. Yes?
Yes, Prabhu.
Right. So out of that, 16,000 is below, 84,000 is above. Bottom width is 16,000, top is 32,000 is what we had learned. Let us go and read whether Srimad Bhagavatam says exactly that. Right? Let us see. Of that 16,000 yojanas are within the earth, and therefore the mountain's height above the earth is 84,000 yojanas. The mountain's width is 32,000 yojanas at its summit and 16,000 yojanas at its base. Yes? So the 16,000 and 32,000 I've spoken about are correct. The 100,000 is the height of Mount Meru, 16,000 below the earth and 84,000 above the earth. Yes?
Yes, Prabhu.
Now, Jambu Dvipa itself, we said 100,000 yojanas, right? 100,000 yojanas, right? It is divided into 9 islands. The Jambu Dvipa is divided into 9 islands, 9 divisions. And those divisions, each one has 9,000 yojanas or 72,000 miles. So 9 nines are 81. The other 91,000 is the 9 nines are 81. The other 19,000 is the intermittent spaces between these lines. So let's look at that image, if it is there, of Jambu Dvipa. Right. What are those 9 lands? What are the 9 lands that we are talking about? What are the 9 lands that we are talking about? That's what we have to look at. But before we look at that, we need to look at the various mountains that are there. Various mountains that are there. Yes? See here, to the right is Malayavan. To the left here is
Mount is going to be Jambu
here
Dvipa.
is Nishadha, here is Hemakuta,
Mount
here
Island,
is
Sun Island.
Hare Krishna. Sorry, somebody is saying something. Hare Krishna. This is Himalaya, this is Hemakuta, this is Nishadha. Hare Krishna, there is some noise from somewhere. Could you please mute yourself? This is the Malyavan Parvata, this is the Gandhamadana Parvata. Right? This is the Neela, this is the Sweta, this is Shrungavan. Right? Now let's look at the Varshas. There is a Uttarakuru Varsha, Hiranyamaya Varsha, Ramyaka Varsha, Hari Varsha, Kimpurusha Varsha, Bharata Varsha, Ilavruta Varsha. Right? Let us count the Varshas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Those 9 lands are the 9 Varshas. Make sense? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
Ketumala Varsha 1, Uttarakuru Varsha 2, Hiranyamaya Varsha 3, Ramyaka Varsha 4, Bhadra Varsha 5, Hari Varsha 6, Kimpurusha Varsha 7, Bharata Varsha 8 and Ilavruta Varsha 9. These are the 9 lands. And these lands are divided by these mountains. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
And the golden Sumeru Parvata is all there. If its height is so big and it is 32,000 wide at the top and 16,000 wide at the bottom, that means there is a lot of stabilization required. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Can you see the 4 mountains that are holding that like a pivot? Mandara, Meru Mandara, Supavarsha and Kumuda.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, on the 4 sides they are there and they are holding this Sumeru golden mountain. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
So entire support system, right? And of course, on the east there are smaller mountains which form a little bit of balancing fulcrum. These 8 ones are on the east, Jatara and Devakuta on the west, Pavana and Pariyata, on the south is Kailasa and Karavira, on the north is Trishanga and Makara. Why are they there? Trishanga and Makara and all these things, why are they there? The reason is they are basically forming a subterranean base for these holding 4 mountains. The 4 mountains that are forming the support system, for them they are becoming the supporting base. Make sense?
Yes, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Prabhuji, is everyone clear?
Sorry,
Yes, Prabhu.
can you repeat that the 8 smaller surrounding? Why, Prabhu?
Prabhu, think about it. There is a huge cone like this. Yes?
Yeah.
Supported by 4 mountains which are Mandara, Meru Mandara, Supavarsha and Kumuda. Yes?
Yes, Prabhu.
Suparshva and Kumuda. Yes? Now, they themselves need a support system, right?
Okay, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So, each of those mountains, east, west, north, south, they have their support system in these mountains. Smaller mountains, which are forming a sort of a double base. Yes, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhu. Is it the same Mandara Parvata used for churning? Is it the same thing, Prabhu? Mandara means?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yes, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So now, as you can see, the entire planetary system is along the longitude of this. All the lokas, the Mahadloka, Janarloka, Tapadloka, Bhur, Bhuvar, Suvar, Mahar, Janar, Tapar, they are along this, and at the top of this mountain is Satyaloka, 32,000 miles. And that's where Lord Brahma's office and all Devata offices are there. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
It's at the top.
Prabhuji, one question.
Yeah.
The Varshas are divided by using Nishada like that, right, Prabhuji?
Yeah.
Are they also mountains?
No, Varshas are places of existence.
No, not Varsha. Next to the Varsha, there is a dividing kind of. Can we go back to that?
Those are all mountains,
wait,
Prabhu. The entire thing is divided by mountains, Prabhuji.
Mountains. Okay, Prabhuji. Yeah.
If you see, okay, let me go back to that image and show you. The entire thing is divided by the mountains.
Mountains. Okay, Prabhuji.
If you see here, the
Yeah.
Malayavan Parvatam, Nishada Parvatam, Hemakuta Parvatam,
Okay.
Himalaya
They're all
Gandhavana
mountains.
Parvatam.
Yeah.
See, we talk about Lord Ramachandra.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. So,
Gandhamadana Parvatam.
Gandhamadana Parvata, we talk about Lord Ramachandra, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. So he crossed
Yes,
the Gandhamadana Parvata, right? And, he also crossed the Hemakuta, and went to the Kimpurusha Varsha. Yes.
Right. Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Ayodhya to Kimpurusha Varsha. Yes. Where Hanuman
Yes,
and
yes,
everybody
Prabhu.
stayed.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu. Right?
Yes, Prabhuji. Got it, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Gandhamadana Parvata is part of Srimad Ramayana. We all know that. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So, you please see all these things, right? There is a Neela Parvata Shreni, there is a Sweta Parvata Shreni, there is Srungavan Parvata Shreni. Yes? But these Parvatas are delimiters of the Varshas.
Yes, Prabhuji.
For example, Ramyaka Varsha is between Neela and Shweta. Hiranyaya Varsha is between Shweta and Shrungavan. And
Yes, Prabhuji.
Uttarakuru Varsha is beyond that. Yes, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, one more question, Prabhuji. Now, how can we link Earth to any of this? Is our Earth equal to the
Bharatavarshe,
Bharatavarsha?
Bharatakande. Prabhu, when we do a puja, right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Bharatavarshe,
Jambu Dvipa,
Bharatakande, right?
Bharatavarsha.
This is the Bharatavarsha. It is here.
Yes, Prabhuji.
There is a little earth. Jambu Dvipe, Bharatavarshe, Bharatakande, Meroh, Dakshinabhage, Srisailasya, etc., etc. We say, right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
There are Himalayas and this is Bharatavarsha.
Right. Bharatavarsha is nothing but Earth, right, Prabhuji?
It's not earth, Prabhu. Bharatavarsha is bigger than earth within that Bharatakhanda.
Okay.
Right, Prabhu? The
Got it.
earth, please understand. We are talking about Jambu Dvipa. There is Bhumandala. There is
Bhumandala,
Bhurloka. Within that, so if you see, Om Kesha Narayan Madhavaya Govinda Vishnu Madhusudan Devakana Vamanaya Sri Krishna Damodara Sakshana Purushottam Daksha Narasimha Tam Jana Upendra Hari Krishna Sri Krishna Parabrahma Jambu Dvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakande Meroh Dakshina Digbhage Sri Saila so and so Vayuvya Pradeshe Ganga Kaveri Madhya Pradeshe, right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
This Meru's Dakshina, right?
Okay.
Is Himalayas. Please understand.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So we are not talking the earth here. Prabhu, if you look at entire India is to the Dakshina.
Correct, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Yes. So
Yes.
you are completely talking about, the earth just being a small portion of the thing and being here, Prabhu. You get it?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. Got it.
It's a circle around here, this earth.
Right, Prabhuji.
Yeah? And of that, Bharatavarsha. Yes, Prabhu?
Okay. Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
The reason I'm saying that it's around here, because remember, the Jambu Dvipa is at 16,000 miles height. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
And earth is part of Jambu Dvipa.
Correct, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu Mataji, is everybody clear on this?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Right. So, just imagine this, how the 9 Varshas, and the 8 great mountains, 6 horizontal and 2 vertical chains, divide this into 9 regions. Yes. So, today we have looked at this picture. We will stop here. I want to go into the further description. So tomorrow, again when we catch up, we will discuss each and every one of these descriptions so that we understand how exactly our Jambu Dvipa is far, far bigger than what an average Joe thinks. Yes? Hare Krishna Prabhu, Hare Krishna Mataji. Are you good with that?
Yes, Prabhu.
So, till now, whatever we discussed in Jambu Dvipa, any doubts till now? Hare Krishna, any doubts till now?
No, Prabhuji.
Right. Couple of things I want to bring to your notice is the vertical mountain chains divide the Jambu Dvipa into 9 regions. Right? These are the 8 mountains that we discussed. Right? Remember, we discussed these 8 mountains? Hare Krishna, do you remember or not?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
Yeah. So, most important thing we need to remember, there is vertical as well as horizontal mountains. Tomorrow we look at which are the vertical mountains, which are the horizontal mountains. Yes?
Yes, Prabhu.
Interesting description here. So tomorrow we'll discuss that. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam ki Jai.
Jai.
Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai.
Jai. Nita Gaura Sitana Premanandi Hari Hari Bo.
Hare
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare